Hi, and welcome to our Thriving Talk with Karen series. If you've been introduced to Thrive Life Foods, you may have also been invited to become a consultant. Here to share her experience of what's all involved with becoming a Thrive Life consultant is our guest, Colleen Martines. Welcome, Colleen.
Hello. Glad to be here.
So let's get right into this. Why did you choose to become a Thrive Life consultant?
I am so excited you asked because actually I was a consultant years and years ago, and then I got too busy with other demands and other careers, and but I still loved the food. I love the food. I even was a child care provider, and it was like the best snacks. I would give it to the children. I actually felt like it was such a good, healthy snack too. The yogurt bites and little raspberries and strawberries, they were so healthy and good for the kids. But then I just was liking it so much. My family was liking it so much. I actually wanted to become a consultant again. And I wanted to really understand and learn all about being a consultant so I could do it better. But I was first a customer and I loved the food. But what made me become a consultant is that I wanted to serve and share. I really wanted to spread this delicious food, this healthy food to my friends. I just really wanted to serve and share. So
When
that's why I
we do
became a
something
consultant.
we really like, we can't help but want to share it.
Yes, I love sharing the goodness of Thrive. The Thrive is delicious. It
Yes.
is so good. And when people taste it, they're like, oh, it is really, really a powerful, delicious, healthy snack and food that we could just eat and incorporate in our daily lives.
And those little kids must have loved that because those work perfect for snacks for little kids.
They loved it. They would eat it up. And I was trying to ration it out and save it because it was so good.
That's right. Put the lid back on. Yeah,
Yes.
that's right. Yeah, so that's wonderful. So you decided to become a consultant. So how did you actually become a consultant?
So it's really a great way now. I was actually searching on the internet looking to become a consultant, looking to find other consultants to ask them how to become a consultant again. So right now, because of our digital age and because the convenience that are out there and the internet is just so helpful for us, I was able to research and try to find someone. And I found other consultants and I found my consultant, which is Karen, which is you. And just the reply back and just the response back, very helpful, very friendly, and very supportive of whatever I was wanting and what I was looking for. So I was asking questions, you were answering them directly to me, and I said, I want to become a consultant, and you helped me through the process. It was very simple, very easy. I could do it that right then and there. I could do it right on my phone, and it was just simple and done.
Yeah, that was awesome. I loved meeting you over Messenger when you reached out. And we had some really good conversations getting started. And so once you decided to become a consultant, there's a process, though, that you did have to go through. Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yes. So you had given me a link. And so there was a link that I was able to click on, and I was able to choose a certain level of packaging. There's a $100 kit, a $220 kit, or a $499 kit. And I was able just to pick one that I felt was helpful to me. And other times, or my last time I got the big kit. So I had like an apron and everything. So this time I chose the $100 kit. But right now, I wish I would have gotten the bigger one still because it gives so many extra free bonuses and extra free food. It has the biggest value. It was such a great value. I wish I would have gotten it this time. But you get to choose whichever level you're comfortable with. That's what another benefit of Thrive is they work with your budget. They work with your options. They work with whatever you want. And I'm grateful for those freedom of options. It gives a choice. And it doesn't feel so overwhelming if you don't have the budget yet, but also if you do and are able to, you're able to get the biggest value. So I love the variety and the choice of that. So I was able to pick a choice, a kit. You get to look on there and choose one of 3 kits. And that's what you first start with is your kit.
So, did it matter which kit you got? Did it affect your standing within the Thrive Life company?
No, no. Whatever kit you want, you start out and you're the same as everyone else. You get all the benefits, all the training you want, all the training that comes. and you stand out the same as everyone else. That's another benefit.
Perfect. Wonderful. So if people want to pick one of these kits, then they reach out to a consultant and they go onto their website and they can pick these right there on their websites.
Yes, you get to pick whichever one you want. You get, after you become a consultant, you'll actually get like assigned a certain number, and that's your identity number that will help you then start building up your account and your ability to be the consultant and kind of set the stage. And it helps you set your stage of your website, of all the things that you get to do.
Awesome. How do you actually learn about those details about how to share this with other people? All the information that people are going to ask. How do you know this stuff to share it with other people?
I'm so glad you asked, because this is one of my favorite parts about Thrive. When I became a consultant years ago, there was no training. It was all just whatever you wanted to share. But now they've gotten so many consultants feedback. They've been able to implement all these things to help all the new consultants, but they have so much training now. So there is one called Welcome Aboard, and you just go through it. It has videos, it has downloads, it has worksheets. And I was getting so excited. I just started doing all the homework all the time. I would watch a video and do all the homework immediately, because there was such good training, good information, and helped me feel like I actually knew the product. It also helped me walk through my goals. It also helped me walk through what would I say for a conversation with someone. It helped me learn how to talk to my friends. It helped me get over some of the fears because of such wonderful detailed training. So I really encourage, if you are becoming a consultant, to dive deep into that training. It will help you know how to sell, how to share, how to serve with Thrive.
Right. It is a really good training. It doesn't take very long, and you actually earn Thrive credit just for doing the course. You earn $25 once it's been completed, and then you earn another $25 once you have placed your first order after doing this. So right there, $50 in Thrive Life credit.
It
That's
is
awesome.
excellent. They really do want to support the consultants, and I'm very grateful for that Thrive credit. It's been great.
All right, can you tell us a little bit about what they call the fast track program and how that motivates people to grow their business and get started right away as a consultant?
Awesome. I'm so glad you asked. And I'm so glad you helped me. So the fast track program is so helpful for new consultants. It's really a lot of motivation. You get really excited about how easy it is to kind of get your foot started. There is great training that helps you, guide you, and helps you feel confident. But the fast track is kind of like a little motivational thing for new consultants to get momentum and get results faster. So you're able to get results and get the things that you're wanting as a brand new consultant faster. You're able to see your business grow faster, at a faster rate, and you get those extra benefits. You get little prizes. So they have certain things that happen the first 40 days, little checkoffs that you could do and it helps guide you through those things. So it's the first 40 days, then the next 30 days, then the last 30 days. And it'll give you a little checkoff to do, and you just follow that checkoff. And if you're able to do and achieve those things, you get extra bonuses, you get extra commissions, and it really helps you get a good footing as a consultant. It helps you feel confident and strong and know how to go from there.
That's great. Yes, for people who take advantage of that fast track program, it does really help. And they do have the elite part of the fast track program. So for those who are really gung ho and they're going full blast, so here at the fast track, that if they have sales of $2,000 or more, whether it's team sales, personal sales, or a combination, and if they get 5 consultants within that 100 days, then they actually get more Thrive credit. They get $150 Thrive credit, plus they get an $800 commission check.
That's
So
awesome.
that can really help motivate people.
That is awesome. And I am grateful for Thrive. They really are supporting and offering those benefits to the consultants. They give things to the consultants that help them feel secure, help them feel confident, and gives them extra money and cash as their bonus. That's wonderful. I love it.
So now that you have learned all the details in the Getting Started program, and now that you know all the details about the fast track to really boost your business, how did you decide how to share it with people?
Thank you. And I am still excited about sharing it. So I do share it with I like to message my friends every month about, hey, here's the new deal for this month. But I also wanted to really have a platform where I could always share. So I did open up a Facebook page and I opened up an Instagram page. And now I'm diving deep into YouTube. And I wanted to have a YouTube platform so I could keep all my videos and all my little posts there as well. But I just think that there's so many variety places now, whatever you're comfortable with and how you like to share. Social media is a great resource to keep all of my Thrive information, my excitement, and my videos. So I love to share on my social media platforms, but there's a lot of places we could share it. They give you an email through Thrive, so you could have an email subscription and email your all your friends and clients out of the great deals. That's a great resource. And I just think there's so many things, whatever you're comfortable with, you dive into it and go deep into it and spread the goodness of it.
That's awesome. Yes, there's so much you can do on social media, and with technology, things are always changing, they're evolving. It'll be exciting to see where businesses like this are in the future, just because of how exciting and fast paced this is for sharing information. You can also share it by having parties now that things have kind of calmed down with the pandemic. Some people might be comfortable having what we call tastings in your home or in their home or in a hall or wherever you want to have it. And sometimes some people like to have a booth in a trade show or a farmer's market. Depending on if you are in Canada or in the States will depend on whether or not you're allowed to sell the product over the table. In the States, you can do that, but in Canada, you're only allowed to give samples if the health inspector is okay with that. But there's lots of different ways that you can share it, and it's really exciting and fun to share things that you really like you said in the beginning. And when we find things we really like, we can't help but want to share it with other people.
Yes. Yes. And I am excited. I have had a couple tastings and now I've just scheduled a booth that will be happening next month. So I'm excited to try all these venues, all these avenues are there. People love to taste it. They love to see what it's about. And when they do taste it, they are in shock. They're in for a big surprise because they end up loving it immediately.
That's right. It is quite a surprise. And then when you do host a party, whether it's online or whether it's in person as a tasting, then the host also can earn Thrive credit with their referral link. So there's just lots of neat things with this company and becoming a consultant. And it was just great to hear how you got started as a Thrive Life consultant and hear the enthusiasm that you have as you move forward, growing your business and sharing this wonderful food with as many people as you can. It's wonderful.
I am so thankful, Karen. And I'm grateful for Thrive. Thrive is a life changer. It's helpful for food storage, but it's helpful just for your everyday meals. It gives variety, it gives health, nutrition, and I think it's densely packed with nutrition. So I think it's an excellent choice.
And it's super convenient.
It is super convenient.
So much time.
Yes.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Colleen. And thank you for everyone who is watching. So if you have been thinking about signing up as a consultant, be sure to contact the person who invited you to this video. And to watch more in this Thriving Talk with Karen series, be sure to click the link to the event page in the description, or subscribe to Thriving Talk with Karen on YouTube. All right, well, thank you so much, Colleen. It was great to have you with us.
Thank you, Karen. It was so wonderful.
Until next time, bye.